Hello everyone, I am Siddhant and in today's video I am going to show you step by step how you can convert an Excel file into PDF file for entirely free without using any software. So here I have my this Excel file regarding the bill of sponsorship to my channel, and now I want it in PDF form which is not editable. So first of all, click on file, go to save as and browse your file location, and here give a file name, and in the save as type choose PDF. You can always add the author's name and some tag, and make sure standard publishing online and printing is turned on, and now click on save. Now your PDF file will open. Here you all can see. Now my Excel file is converted into PDF which is not editable, which I wanted. In this way you can convert your Excel file into PDF.